In this lecture, we will learn about Python's string data type. A string is a piece of text inside of quotes. For example, here's an example of creating a string ABC and assigning it to a variable named S1. It is also possible for a string to include other characters inside of the quotes, such as spaces, digits, and special characters. For example, here's an example of assigning a string with spaces, digits, and special characters to our S1 variable. Note that Python does not have a character data type. If we want to use a character in our Python programs, we just use a string with one character inside of it. For example, if we want to reference the character A, then we could set S1 equal to the string A. Note that it is valid to have strings inside of single, double, and triple quotes as seen here. We will cover this more in depth in a video in the next section of the course. Let's say we have a string with some text inside of it. What if we want to check if a certain word is present inside of this sentence? We could use Python's in keyword. For example, we could create a variable b1 and set it equal to dog in S1. This variable will contain the Boolean value true if the sentence does contain the word dog, and false if it does not. We will use Python's print function to print the value of b1 to the console. When we run the code, you will notice that true is printed since the string dog is contained inside of the string S1. What if we wanted to check if a word was not in the string S1? Then we could use another one of Python's keywords, the not keyword. We will change our current code to be dog not in S1, and then run the code. As you can see, b1 is now false, since the string dog is inside of the S1 string. Now you know how to work with the string data type in Python. I know this video on strings was a little light. That is actually because we're going to take a deep dive into working with the string data type in the next section, working with strings. We will learn all about how to work with strings in Python, and also have the opportunity to solidify that knowledge with a hands-on coding exercise. In the next lecture, we will learn about Python's integer data type.